Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ashita Agarwal. I hope you guys are doing well and safe at home. By the title itself, you know that I'm gonna show you this eyebrow look. My both eyebrows look different because this is a heavy, edgy, and for heavy makeup look, and this is my go-to and everyday eyebrow define. I'm gonna show you, and I don't do much. It just hardly takes 5 minutes. I just do a scratchy look, and even you can do a basic one. Just you have to fill in and not give a defined shape like I did in this one, because this is for heavier look. This is not done on everyday. This is done on the everyday look. So I hope you guys can spot the difference. This one is done. This one is done and this one is not. And I do two types of eyebrows. One is very thick and very heavy one. When I am going for traditionals or heavy looks, I do this for heavy looks. And on the regular basis, I do very natural sort of. There are many eyebrow products out there in the market, but I use this one, and I recently got this from Nika. This one is from Etude House. This is Etude House Drawing Eyebrow, and this is not jet black, and this is 2-in-1. So the plus point is of this is 2-in-1. So here's the spoolie to like comb and shape, give a definition to your definer. So this is not jet black because I don't like extremely black looking eyebrows. This looks very natural. Gives you a natural looking everyday look because it does not make your eyebrows very unnatural, artificially, supernaturally black. So I'm taking the brush side of this eyebrow definer, and I will start with brushing off all the extra, and I will give it a definition. Always put your hair upwards and then make it scratched look. If you want to give a scratch look, then just keep it moving towards upwards like this. And so I will just set it like this, and then so just take any aloe vera gel that you have. You can, if you have the pear soap or something like that, we can do the soap based one next time. I right now have this gel, so just take a little amount, and I already applied a little bit. Forgot to switch on the camera, turn on the camera. Your spoolie side and brush upwards. Ongoing trend one. As you can see, the gel is dry now. We will start with the definer. Just filling in the gaps and not putting anything extra. Natural, and I just filled in the gaps, and I didn't edit way too much or anything else, so it is quite clear, thick and precise, and yet at the same time it is very natural. Okay, so this both looks very different because this is my everyday go-to like basic, very natural sort of eyebrow defined, and this is very heavy defined eyebrow that is done for heavy eye look or a sharp and edgy look. and it is more base, and that scratched eyebrow look is done. It is more scratched because of the pears or the soap, because the soap is it sticks your hair at the place, and aloe vera just gives you for few hours, but it does sticks to the place. So that's why it is messy, not sticked at a place, but it is very basic. It is even scratched up also, but at the same time it is basic. So I do my everyday eyebrows, but just to show you how to do a scratch look, I don't use anything except the eyebrow definer. I don't use aloe vera gel or soap base on daily basis because it will destroy your hair, because it's not safe that to put anything and keep it for hours over your. I just filled in the gap. I didn't define it by adding a layer or a line of this. As you can see the difference on both of this. So as you guys have seen the amazing transformation, and I know I look different on both the side of the face. So here we come to an end of this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope that you like this video. If you try out this look, don't forget to like, subscribe, share to my channel. I love you guys so much. Keep safe and keep your family safe. Hey, stay at home, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.